MDaemon Remote Administration provides administrators full, web-based remote access to most of MDaemon's features, including MDaemon's log files, security and spam filter settings, mobile device management settings, account setup options, domain configuration settings, and much more. It is available in several languages and works with most popular browsers. When you log in to MDaemon Remote Administration, the status page provides an at-a-glance overview of the status of the MDaemon service and queues, the amount of available disk space, and a link to stop or start the MDaemon service when needed. All configuration settings are conveniently located along the left-hand side. This provides an easy way to add or remove accounts, update your MDaemon domains or mailing lists, or add your own custom branding images to MDaemon's webmail client. When you're away from the office and need to troubleshoot a mail delivery issue, MDaemon's logs and configuration files can be accessed directly from the main navigation menu. Use the message search feature to locate messages by keyword within a user's mailbox. You can then simply double-click on a message to view its source data or related logs. Traffic and mailbox charts provide a color-coded breakdown of messaging activity. Simply hover your mouse over a point on the chart to view the message or session totals for that specific day. Use the Setup menu to perform a variety of tasks, including adding or removing domains, configuring archiving, or setting up public and shared folders. The Mobile Device menu gives you convenient access to all mobile device management settings, including ActiveSync client settings, device policies, and fine-tuning options. All of MDaemon's security settings, including relay controls, SMTP authentication, account hijack detection, and spam bot detection can be accessed from the security menu. And with access to MDaemon's powerful spam filter, you can use remote administration to adjust all spam filter settings, including heuristic analysis, Bayesian filtering, blacklists and whitelists, and much more. MDaemon Remote Administration provides the convenience and flexibility that administrators need by allowing them to perform almost all administrative tasks from any location with just a web browser and an internet connection. It provides the flexibility and ease of use that have made MDaemon a popular and affordable messaging server for small to medium businesses around the world for over 20 years. You can learn more by visiting the MDaemon product page on our website at www.mdaemon.com.